Good morning everyone. I hope all are doing well at your home. Today we will complete 3 pages, page number 4, 76 and 77 in this video. Page number 4. Let's start with page number 4, language and literature. Maze of words. Our speech has words that express our feeling in the various ways. Given below are some words. Their synonyms are hidden in the maze. Synonym means same meaning. Same meanings are given in the given puzzle. Find them from the maze and write in the space provided. One is already done for you. The first one is develop. Develop same meaning is grow, improve and promote. Improve and promote we have taken from the given maze. Number 2 is speak. Find out the meaning of speak in the given box. First is talk, express and gossip. Number 3 is think, concentrate, reflect and ponder. Number 4, twinkle. Twinkle means something that shine. Glow, gleam, shine. Number 5 is look, observe, see, notice. And the last is stop, obstruct, hinder and block. So it was all about page number 4. Same words are given, same meanings are given in the given box. You have to find out from the given maze. Now next page is page number 76. That is maths magic. Scratch your head. Now you have to use your mind. You have to do some calculation to solve this page. First is insert number into the remaining blank squares so that all the calculations are correct while reading both across and down. First we will start across. First line, which number we will multiply by 3 and divide by the another number, so we get 12. It means हमें दोनों साइड सेम नंबर मिलेगा, सेम नंबर we will multiply and same number we will divide, so we will get number 12. If we will multiply 12 by 3 and again we will divide same number by 3, so we will get the same digit, that is 12. Now next is which number we will add in 9 so that if we divide it by 3 we will get the number 8. So that is which number? 15. If we will add 15 in 9 we will get number 24, and if we will divide 24 by 3, so we will get answer, that is 8. Now in the next line, which number we will add in 9 that we will divide by 2, we get number 6, that is 3. Last is which number we will multiply by 4 and add in 4, we will get number 16. So we will get, it means we need number 12 which we will add in 4 so that we get number 16. So how we will get number 12? If we will multiply number 4 by 3, so we will get digit 12, and if we add 4 in 12, so answer will be 16. Okay, now come to question number 2. Insert either plus sign or minus sign in between the following digit to make it equal to 100 without changing the order of the digits. बच्चे, if we will get number 100. How we will get number 100? The first number is 98. It is very nearest to the 100. If we will add 9, if we will put sign of addition, so it will be more than 100. So first we will do subtract 98 from 76. Then we will add 54, 3 and 21. Easily we will get the number 100. We can't add 98 because 98 is very near to the 100. If we will add, then it will become more than 100. So we will subtract 98. Then we will add the numbers. We will get the digit 100. Now next is how can you arrange the numerals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 into groups. We have to arrange these numbers in 2 groups, 4 in each group, so that sum of the number placed in each group will be the same. Now we want number 177. 177. How we will get? In the first box we have to write 3 digits, and in the second box we have to write only 1 digit. In 1 digit or first one, if I will write in the first box 173 and single number 4. We will add both the numbers, so we will get 177. Now again in the next box, which number we will add in these two boxes of 2 digits, we will get number 177. Now we have to see only 1 to 9 digits. Now see, if I will add 85 plus 92, so I will get 177. But here you can change the digit also in the second part, 85 plus 92. If you will add some other 2 digits, like if some 1 digit is changed, then also it is fine, but answer should be 177. Now come to question number 4. Where would you place number 9 and 10 to keep the sequence going? Now first we will start with the numerator. Numerator, the number first line given 2, 3, 6, 7. Now let's check the sequence. 2 and 3. What is the difference in between two numbers? That is 1. It means if I will add 1 in 2, so I will get the answer 3. Now next is 6. The difference between 3 and 6 is 3. It means if I will add number 3 in 3, so I will get number 6. Now again the sequence is repeated. After 6 they have given number 7. It means they have added only number 1 in 6 and we get answer 7. Now according to the sequence I have to add number 3. If I will add 3 number in 7, so what will be the answer? That is answer 10. So in the first line we will write number 10. Now come to the denominator. 1, 4, 5, 8. 1 and 4. In between 1 and 4, what is the difference? Difference is of number 3. Now again 4, after 4, 5 is there. It means difference is of number 1. Again 5 to 8, the difference is of number 3. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. And again we have to add number 1 according to the sequence. If I will add number 1 in 8, what will be the answer? That is 9. And if you will add these all numbers, we will get number 27. Now come to question number 5. A car has a 3-digit number which is square of number 25. Square of number 25 means we have to multiply 25 2 times. 25 into 25. Other car has same digit, 3-digit number in different order. How? The first digit of the first car has become the last digit of the second car. It means we have to calculate the first 3 digit of a car. Now see, that is square of number 25. So answer is 25 multiplied by 25 is equal to 625. And just come to the second car. It is first digit of the first car has become the last digit of the second car. Means first digit क्या है first car का? That is number 6. Now it will become the last number of the second car. वो second car का कौन सा number हो जाएगा? That is 6 will go at the back. Now what will be the answer? First answer was 625. If I will take 6 at the back, अगर 6 पीछे चला जाएगा second car का, तो digit will be 256. That is 256. Now come to the next question, that is question number 6. A number is equal to the cube of the sum of its digits. Can you guess it? How? But you have to find cube. Now here too I will tell you the answer that 512 is the answer. It is cube of 8. But only one solution is there. You can find, first we have to find out the LCM. LCM of 413, LCM of 711, then LCM of 512. Then you will come to know the cube of, how you can come to know about the cube of the digit. So LCM we have already done your mathematics. You can solve it, try it yourself. Find out the LCM of 413, then 711, then 512. Then you will come to know the number is, which number is equal to the cube of its digit. That is last one, 512. That is 8 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 8. Now बच्चे come to the page number 77. Again maths magic. You have to formula can be fun. Remember the formula you have learned and fill in the crossword. Read the clues also. Now in the first is they have given selling price minus cost price. it means selling price is more and cost price is less. So it means we will get the profit. You will sell the thing and the cost price is less as compared to the sale. So we will get the profit. Write down number 2, that is profit. Now next number 3 is length into breadth into height. What is the formula? That is a formula of a volume. Volume is equal to length into breadth into height. Number 4, 2 into length plus breadth. What we will get? We will get the perimeter. Perimeter का formula क्या होता है? What is the formula of perimeter? Length into breadth, that is multiply by 2. Now next is length into breadth. If we multiply length into breadth, we will get the area of the any picture. If we want area, then what we will find out? How we will find out the area of any sphere? We will multiply length into breadth. And if we want perimeter, we will do length plus breadth and we will multiply that number with 2. Number 6 is distance divided by time. What we will get? That is a speed. Speed is equal to distance over time. It is a formula of a speed. Speed ka what is the formula of speed? That is distance divided by time. Now number 7 is principal into rate into time over 100. What we will get? That is interest. Interest, what is the formula of the interest? That is principal into rate into time over 100. And if you want amount, what will the formula? That is principal plus interest. Okay. Now the last one is 2 pi r in a circle. 2 pi r in a circle. What we will find out? That is circumference. 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 It was all about the puzzle. Now do you know box? Body mass index is the measurement of body weight based on the height. You can calculate your own body mass index by BMI weight in kgs and square of height in meters. If you find out your body mass index, how you will find out? First you will find out the weight of the body, then you will divide it by square of height in meters. Okay, and here they have given you how you can observe your BMI, that is body mass index. They have given below that how it is thin, moderately thin. They have given the digit in between so that easy for you to write down the body mass index. You can measure it. Okay, bache, it was all about page number 4, 76 and 77. So, thank you everyone.